Hi, my name is Sonny Yuen. I'm the founder and ex-managing director of John Davison, a headhunting company. I think for HR and also for recruiters, really very beneficial. Firstly, in terms of productivity, I think it will reduce the amount of manual work they need to do. Example, you can actually look at pre-screening using AI and choosing the parameters that matches the job description. For the actual interview, you can even prepare the question using AI. Things which normally we do in a year, like writing policies, it can be done over in maybe days instead of a year, and really save a lot of time. I think in addition to writing policies, you can also use it to do many things. You can check what is the latest union law, and sometimes if you are running out of strategies or you think of what to improve in your department, you can ask AI, what are the best strategies to do. The application is really endless if you can think of it. I think for the HR community, really should look into how to use AI to improve their work and also how to make it work for them instead of they working for the AI. Tools are meant for us to use, and HR people should not be worried. Just go into it and understand it. Even if they know nothing, a basic course like this would really help them understand many more things of what AI can do. So take it or lose it.